Live images on your screens right now of Samrat Chaudhary with Vinod Tawde. Samrat Chaudhary, of course, has won from the Tarapur constituency. Again, a family bastion of sort, but the first time that he's contesting from that seat. Vinod Tawde is a Bihar BJP charge leader. They are celebrating the massive mandate of 200 plus for the NDA, and the fact that the BJP has emerged right now as the single largest party. Those numbers on your screens as well of how this was a very clear victory for Samrat Chaudhary, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. What's going to be his placing now in the next government? Will we see, another position for him, a promotion from Deputy Chief Minister? There's only one way you can get promoted, but then that will mean that Nitish Kumar will no longer be the Chief Minister. So it'll be interesting to see what really happens in the days to come. I'm going to bring in Suesha Sawant. She's joining us live from the JDU office in Patna. Suesha, I know that there's a whole lot of noise and cheer there, music, crackers and whatnot, but I'd love if you could get us some voices from the ground on what people have to say on who should be the Chief Minister.
Well, I'm pretty sure, Akshita, that even if I pose the question, the answer I've only been getting since morning, even when the numbers have not even come in the consolidated manner, that Nitish Kumar is coming back all the way. And see the kind of celebration that is happening, dance that has broken out in full swing. In fact, there is this full-fledged speaker that is inside the JDU office. And if one really wants to sense the Bhojpuri mood, it is right here where I'm standing. So it is really 2025 के भी नायक होंगे नीतीश कुमार. And that point answers it for you. 2025 के भी नायक होंगे नीतीश कुमार ही बनेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर.
बिल्कुल, सूरज से यूं आंख मिलाना मुश्किल क्या नामुमकिन है. सूरज से यूं आंख मिलाना मुश्किल क्या नामुमकिन है. सीएम नीतीश को सीएम की कुर्सी से हिलाना मुश्किल क्या नामुमकिन है. 25 से 30 फिर से नीतीश, बाकी सब 420.
नीतीश ही बनेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर.
हाँ, नीतीश कुमार बनेंगे. भाई अभी डांस करने दो, चलो.
कुमार बनेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर.
नीतीश कुमार ही जीवन भर मुख्यमंत्री रहेंगे. जब तक जिएंगे सीएम नीतीश कुमार रहेंगे.
So that's the sentiment. As long as he lives, he will be chief minister. क्या कहना चाहेंगे नीतीश जी को?
जब तक हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी हैं नीतीश जी, जब तक मुख्यमंत्री रहेंगे पूरे, समझ गए ना. उन्हीं की खुशहाली में देख रहे हैं हम लोग, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं.
बीजेपी की सीटें ज्यादा आई है, जेडीयू की कम आई.
नहीं, हम लोग का सीट बहुत आया है, बहुत आया हम लोग.
नीतीश बनेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर. So it's a consolidated voice coming here that Nitish Kumar will be chief minister. There are no two ways about that. And like I said,
बिहार के 14 करोड़ जनता की जीत है, तरक्की की जीत है. नीतीश बाबा जी फिर सीएम बने. नीतीश मतलब विकास.
क्या बदला उनके राज में?
क्या बदला क्या नहीं बदला बताइए. अगर छोटा डिस्क्राइब करें तो दिन गुजर जाएगा. हम माइनॉरिटी से मुस्लिम है. 9,000 ज्यादा कब्रिस्तान घेराबंदी हुआ है, मरकज हुआ है. 7 पे लागू करके मौलाना लोगों से 70,000 हो गया है. बिहार की तरक्की का नाम नीतीश कुमार.
तरक्की का नाम नीतीश कुमार. That is what
बिहार की तरक्की आगे बढ़ने का नीतीश कुमार जिंदाबाद. बिहार के हर जिला हर गांव से आती है सदा. हम हैं नीतीश कुमार जी पर पूरी तरह फिदा.
Suesha, I'm going to come back to you. I just want to focus on the live images coming in now of Chirag Paswan celebrating outside his residence with his family. The LJP also putting up a very good show at this point at 19 out of the 29 that they contested. That's not a bad strike rate at all for the LJP that managed a 100% strike rate in 2024. The LJP managing again to hold their ground. We'll have to see if that number sticks. Does it grow or reduce? But either way, the LJP happy with their performance, but particularly over the fact that with the NDA, they've managed to cross 200. That's Chirag Paswan there celebrating at his residence with his family members, with his colleagues. We'll try to also connect with a reporter to get you more details. First glimpse there of Chirag Paswan flashing the victory sign, all smiles beaming over this mega mandate for the NDA. And as I said, the LJP performing also with 19 out of 29 seats that they have contested. So on your screens there, You can call it Holi, you can call it Diwali, whatever it is. It's one big celebration of all the festivals rolled into one today for all of the NDA leaders and every supporter of the BJP, JDU, LJP and the other parties. And these are images of Chirag Paswan right now celebrating with colleagues, celebrating with family members, flashing the victory sign to, in fact, the media right there. We're going to continue getting you all of those live images from Patna of the celebrations and a reminder that at 6 p.m, Prime Minister Modi is going to also be speaking, addressing BJP Karyakartas, addressing his allies in Bihar over this massive victory for the NDA in Bihar of 200 plus. Chirag Paswan seen there, expected to also come down and speak to the media in a bit. We're going to be getting you all of those live updates and the first reaction that comes in from the LJP chief on the LJP's performance and the NDA's performance in all. It's a day of celebration for the NDA. We're going to continue tracking all these updates very closely, all the images that are coming in of the celebration. On one side, it's celebration. On the other side, for the Mahagathbandhan, it's going to be a day perhaps of introspection or one where they're going to cry conspiracy as we've been seeing in the last few hours. But 200 plus is the tally right now on your screens. And look at what we're showing you of the celebrations in different camps of the NDA, whether it's the JDU, the BJP or the LJP. We're going to continue getting you all of those images. And again, a reminder that at 6 p.m, Prime Minister Modi will be speaking. And he'll be speaking at the BJP headquarters in the national capital. You can trust us here on India Today to get you all of those live updates, reports, analysis, much more coming your way. Stay with us here on India Today.